Hello students, today we will learn a very important type of the question that always comes in every competitive exams. Let us start with the question. Question is this. See here. Root 7, root 7, root 7 3 times. To solve this with trick, just listen carefully. First write the number which is repeating. जो नंबर रिपीट हो रहा है उसको लिखो. नंबर क्या रिपीट हो रहा है? 7. राइट 7 here. Then count the number of roots. फिर ये रूट गिनो. रूट कितने? 1 2 3. Do 2 raised to power 3. हमने 2 raised to power 3 ही क्यों किया है? Because स्क्वायर रूट होता 1/2. What is 2 raised to power 3? 8. Write 8 here. जो भी मैंने लिखा है, whatever I written here, just write 1 less above. जो भी मैंने यहाँ लिखा है उससे एक कम ऊपर लिख दीजिए. तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? 7 raised to power 7/8. See one another example. Root 7, root 7, root 7, root 7. What is repeating? 7. Write 7 here. Okay. Then count the number of the roots. 1 2 3 4. What I will do now? 2 raised to power 4 is equal to 8. Sorry, 16. Write 16 here. And whatever I written here, write 1 less above. Answer is 7 raised to power 15/16. Okay. If the root were 5, then what is the answer? 7. 2 raised to power 5 is 32. 1 less than above. Hope it is clear to you. We can write this in formula method also. What is the formula? 7. The number repeating is 7. 2 raised to power n. To n where n is the number of the roots. और ऊपर क्या लिखेंगे? 2 raised to power n minus 1. Okay. See here, n is 3. So I write 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3 minus 1. Answer is 7 raised to power 7/8. If the root were 4, I will write it 2 raised to power 4. 2 raised to power 4 minus 1. Answer is 7 raised to power 15/16. Now see, we will move to our next step. Okay. Till now, we have some finite number of the roots. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, if it is repeating till infinity, by the long method, what I see, I will take this equal to x, squaring both sides. If I will square this will cut out. But as you know, जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं कि समुद्र से एक लोटा पानी निकालने से समुद्र के ऊपर कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, इसी प्रकार इन्फिनिटी तक कोई कैलकुलेशन इतनी बड़ी होती है कि उसमें से अगर मैं 7 निकाल लूं तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा. हम दोबारा इसको x के इक्विवेलेंट पुट कर सकते हैं. वी कैन पुट इट एज x. दिस विल सिंप्लीफाई दिस. इफ आई विल टेक x कॉमन, इट विल बिकम x minus 7 is equal to 0. Either it is x is 0 or x is 7. X can't be 0. The value is 7. This is the long method. Now what is the short method? If it is repeating till infinity, the number which is repeating, 7 is repeating, so direct right answer 7. If the question was like this, root 8 till infinity, what will be the answer? 8. Hope it is clear to you. Now we will see next type of the question. What the next type says? In the previous type, there is no plus minus in between. Now see the next type. What the next type is? Root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 till infinity. Okay. First see the long method, then we will go for short method. हमें इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करनी है, तो let us assume this equal to x. Squaring both sides, this will cut out. This will become this. Okay. Again, the same way I can put this again x, because infinity the calculation is very long, and if I will take out 12, it will doesn't have any impact on the calculation. So this will become x square, it will become quadratic. After solving the quadratic, we get two value, x is equal to 4 and -3. But see, answer can't be negative because root 12 plus root 12 plus root 12 all are positive. So answer can't be negative. So -3 will get neglected and we get answer 4. This is the long method, but how to do in exam in 10 seconds only. Okay, make the factor of the number such that difference between the factor is 1. Factor of 12 maybe this factor, this is also factor of 12, but we have to make the factor such that the difference between the factor is 1. Such factor are 4 and 3, difference is 1. Okay, if after making the factor having difference 1, now the task is left only to mark the answer. If plus sign is present, bigger number is the answer. Here plus sign is the present, answer is this. But in the same question, if the question is like this, root 12 minus root 12 till infinity, I will make factor that have difference 1, 4 or 3. But here minus sign is present, so the smaller number is the answer. Hope you understand. See one more example. See, root 72 plus root 72 plus root 72 plus root 72. We have to make the factor of the 72 such that difference is 1. 8 and 9 are such factors. ऐसे हमें इसके गुणनखंड बनाने हैं जिनमें डिफरेंस कितने का हो, 1 का. ऐसे फैक्टर कौन से 8 9. यहाँ पे क्या साइन प्रेजेंट है, प्लस. अगर प्लस साइन है तो आंसर कौन सा होगा, बड़े वाला नंबर. द बिग नंबर विल बी द आंसर. सी अनदर एग्जांपल, root 132 minus root 132 minus root 132 till infinity. We have to make factors such that have difference 1. ऐसे फैक्टर कौन से बनेंगे 132 के, 11 and 12. But here minus sign is present, तो smaller number will be the answer. तो 11 will be the answer. Hope it is clear to you. Now we will move to our next type. As already discussed, make the factor of the number such that difference is 1. But it is not always necessary that we will able to see and memorize or able to do the factors that have a difference 1. For example, if the question is like this, root 19 plus root 19 plus root 19 till infinity, I am unable to make the factor of 19 that have difference 1. Now I am presenting a universal trick. चाहे आप फैक्टर बनाने में सक्षम हैं या नहीं है. Are you able to make the factor or not? This universal trick will always works. What the universal trick says, root of 4a plus 1 plus minus 1 by 2. ये ध्यान रखना, रूट सिर्फ यहीं तक है. ओके, a is the number that is repeating. Okay, if plus sign is present we take plus, if minus sign is present we take minus. See this example, root 20 plus root 20 plus root 20 till infinity. Now what is 8? 20. I will plug 20 multiplied by 4 plus 1. Plus is present, so I take plus. Root 81 plus 1 by 2. Root 81 is 9. 9 plus 1 by 2. Answer will be 5. See this example. Root 19 plus root 19 plus root 19 till infinity. Now a is 19. Plug 19 here. You will get this is answer. See another example. Here minus sign is present. Okay, so I will put minus here. If plus was present, I take plus here. So answer will be this. Students, हम जल्दी ही एसएससी सीजीएल 2017 के लिए अपना पेन ड्राइव कोर्स निकाल रहे हैं. जैसे ये लॉन्च होगा आपको इसकी जानकारी दे दी जाएगी. धन्यवाद.